and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video I am going to be showing you how to turn on sound recognition in your iPhone, and this isn't new, but I just wanted to show you this really cool feature. I think it's great. It sends you notifications when the phone hears either water running, glass breaking. There's a lot to choose from. Can even hear your pets. Dogs and cats only though. I don't know why birds aren't listed on there. But anyways, under accessibility, inside these settings app, there is an accessibility tab, and it is below home screen. You're just going to want to press on that. Scroll down until you find sound recognition under hearing. So I'm just going to press on that. Turn that on and turn on sound recognition. In sounds, there's a lot to choose from: alarms, animals, household, and even people. And I'm going to turn the door knock one on, so this will detect if I have knocked on a door. So let's try it. Will it work? I feel like it won't work because I'm recording it. Let me try meowing, because the cat, so. Ow. 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 There it is. I'm sorry you had to hear that. I also turned the cat one on to recognize it. I'm not sure why the door wasn't recognized. It helps if you're not recording right now like I am. It'll work, but it's because I'm screen recording, so it doesn't really recognize it. But yeah, that is basically it for this tutorial. Again, I'm sorry you had to hear my impression of a cat. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!